Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an exciting video. We're learning how to make a vision board. For all of you who have wondered what a vision board is, this is your video. This is the video that you need to watch because this is going to be a game changer for you in any aspect of your life. If you want to learn to make more money, if you want to grow your business, if you just want things to happen magically, stay tuned for this video because I'm going to teach you how to make it happen. Now, before we get straight into the video, this is the time where I like to let you guys know to pause the video, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you turn on the notifications bell so that you don't miss out any of my videos when I upload every week. That's right, you guys, I upload every week, so make sure you turn on that notification bell and make sure you hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss out on this good content, girl. Not at all. So let's get straight into the video.
Jumping right into the video, you will need a pair of scissors, and I already printed out all the images and text that I want to put on my vision board. This vision board is strictly business related, so everything I have on here is stuff that I want to use and visualize to make my business grow. So moving right along, I'm cutting up all the text and images that I got off of Google. Now, you don't necessarily have to do it this way. You can also use old magazines. You can hit up the half-price bookstores and just buy old magazines for like $1, cut those up and use the images from there or any cute quotes that you might find to use on your vision board. But for me, since I couldn't find a lot of those things in magazines, I went ahead and just went on Google and I just saved the images to my computer, and then I just sized them up on Word and just printed them out and cut them out as you see in the video. So finally, after a few minutes of cutting, I got all my images and all the text that I'm going to use for my vision board nice and ready. So as you see, you guys, all I'm doing is just placing all my images and all my text on my poster board. I had to actually stop the video at some point because I had half of a poster board that I had saved from my lifestyle vision board that I created at the beginning of the year. And I thought I was going to be able to fit all of these images and things on there. But your girl got too many goals she's trying to accomplish and I ran out of space. So at some point in the video, I had to stop, delete those clips that I had and re-record this because, you know, your girl just got a lot of things she's trying to accomplish this year. So yeah, I strategically, I can't even talk, place these things on the board the way I did for a reason, because you'll see when I explain what's on here how everything just meshes together. Alright, you guys, so real quick, here is my vision board. This is my business vision board that I just created, and I'm gonna run it through with you guys and let you know what's on here, so that way you can get a idea of how you can create your vision board as well. On here, I do have, the goals that I want to achieve for my YouTube. I want to hit 1,000 subscribers. I want my watch time to go up so that way I can get monetized and paid for my channel. Eventually, I would love to get a plaque as well. And I just really want to show my growth with the analytics. So what I did is I went and I got this image off the internet. And it's just a way of reminding myself, like, hey, if you put in the work now, like, you can definitely get there. And not only that, I end up wanting to do merch as well. I want to sell merch on my channel. So doing all of this, I hope that eventually I can get to this point where I sell merch and I have awesome gear to sell to all my subscribers and all the people that love to follow my channel, because that's a way of me connecting with my community. Hint, networking, you guys. Networking is going to get you so far. If you do not network, you will not get anywhere in life. So this is very, very important, you guys. So this is my YouTube little section on my vision board. And if you pay attention, I put everything the way it is because somehow everything intertwines with one another here. You know what I mean? So from YouTube, we're gonna go ahead and pull this baby over here to show you my social media goals. So here, obviously, I want to have a lot of sales, right, for my merch. I want to hit 1,000 followers on Facebook, on my Facebook page, and I want to get Facebook verified, you guys. So as well, like I did on my YouTube, I want to see my analytics by having it on my vision board. So this is a good way to, have myself stay grounded and have myself be productive by seeing the growth from my Facebook and my Instagram. So I want to be, like I said, Instagram verified, Facebook verified, and by seeing these analytics on my vision board, it reminds me to stay on top of myself and to, be more accountable of doing things productively, so that way I can see the growth. And from that, I monetize my growth by growing my social media platforms. Check that out. So like I said, everything is intertwined together. So going down from the social media, I want to get into affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is going to, help me work with other brands, get brand deals and things like that. So that's very important for me because I have all these awesome brands that I would love to work with. So I put it here on my vision board to constantly remind myself that, hey, it's achievable. You just got to study, you got to work hard, and eventually you're going to get paid, girl. So this is how I want to get paid. So like I said, I took a little snapshot and I'm like, yeah, this is the goal. This is what I'm working towards. So from getting my affiliate marketing, eventually I want to get free makeup. That's right. I want to get free makeup and I want to be able to try new things and test things out and review it. So hopefully from affiliate marketing, I get the opportunity to get free makeup to show you guys and, show you that, hey, it is attainable, so it's definitely on my vision board, like I said. And next to it, I have a makeup artist, which would be me. So I just vision myself doing makeup, and actually having my business grow. My business name is Gorgeous Girls by Gabby, hence the channel name. And going off over here, going lower actually before I get to the other side, I have goals, you guys. I have goals. So eventually with all of this, from the monetization, from YouTube to Instagram to Facebook to affiliate marketing, eventually I would pray that I'm able to have enough money to buy new gear, you guys. My goal is to get a new camera for vlogging. I want to get a new computer. I want to get a vanity set, and I actually want to get into photography. If you know me, you know how much I love to take pictures and videos, and I would really like to create my own little studio so that way I can do my own photo shoots, because who doesn't want to be a one-stop shop, right? So I want to be that one girl that she does everything. Not only do I do makeup, not only do I do, lashes and all of that, I get to do the things that I love to do, which is photography. So like I said, this is a great way of getting everything purposely on this board, because like I said, everything intertwined with everything. So once I get the new gear, or what can help me get that new gear, is definitely learning hairstyling. So yes, I do makeup, but unfortunately I lose a lot of gigs because I don't know how to do hair. And not this year, girl. This year I am putting myself to make sure I learn how to do hairstyling, because I want to get all the gigs. I want to do hair, I want to do makeup, I want to be that one-stop shop. So from this, I want to also be able to inspire people, influence people, and just focus on my success, you know what I mean? And in order to do that, I need to work hard. So here I also have a little scheduling thing, just a little picture, because I want to be fully booked 2020. 2020, I don't want to let no money pass me by, you guys. So going on to the next little section on my board, let me go ahead and scoot that over. I have music recording artist. Yep, that's right, you guys. If you know me, you know that music has always been my first love. Before makeup, before any of that, I always wanted to be a singer. And this year, I really want to focus getting myself back in the studio, working with great producers, working with great people. I want to have a song on the Hot 100s list on Billboard. And I just want to go back in the studio and record, because like I said, I love music. Music's my first passion, you guys. And if I can do anything to get back in the studio and record and work with great people, why not? So this is exactly why all of this is on my vision board. So last but not least, you guys, I think I need to get a better angle, but I have my little Forex section. So for all of you who don't know what Forex is a foreign exchange. Let me explain this correctly. Forex is a way of trading currencies, okay? So my boyfriend's actually the one studying this right now, and hopefully he'll end up teaching me so that we can both be successful at it. But I want to learn Forex for the reason being that I want to have financial abundance. I want to be able to do all the things I want to do and not worry about money, and I know that I can do that if I really get down and learn Forex. So on here I have, a little trade, of profits showing right here. And I just put, what the candlesticks are and things like that. And I just show a little graph showing money growing. So like I said, everything has to be a visualization, you guys. And for me, this is the best way of me really putting myself out there and telling myself, hey, you really got to work on things. And the only way you can do that is by visualizing everything that's on your vision board. So for me, these are my goals for 2020.
So I could ask, how do you make your vision board come true easily? 1, you have to see it. 2, you have to feel it. 3, you have to speak it. And 4, you have to show gratitude. Now, I'm going to give you an example of a car. Let's say that on my vision board, I want a new car. I actually want an Escalade, you guys. I want an Escalade, and in order for me to get things rolling, I have to see it. So I envision myself already rolling down the streets of Houston in my Escalade with the windows down, the air hitting me, and I'm just enjoying that sun. I'm just enjoying myself rolling down the street, listening to music, and I'm enjoying it. Like, that's me visualizing myself already receiving something that I don't have yet. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2 is you gotta feel it. So going back to the example of the car, I'm already feeling joyful. I'm feeling happy inside being in my new car. So that's the second way of making things come true, that you have to feel it already before it happens. I feel joyful, I feel great, I'm happy. All those feelings are things that are gonna bring me, to achieving the things on my vision board. And number 3 is to speak it. Not only do you have to think it and see it, but you have to speak it into the universe. If you start saying things that are negative, or you start having negative thoughts, the universe is receptive to that. So whatever you put out is what's gonna come back to you. So speak good things into existence, you guys. If you want a new car, then start saying, I already have this new car. That car is already sitting in my driveway, and my keys are in my hand. I already have it. It's already mine. And you're going to start seeing how the universe is very receptive to the things that you say. You'll probably start seeing little things like that car that you want driving down the road as you're like at the stop sign. Like, this really happened to me when I said that I really wanted to get my Escalade. I started all of a sudden seeing Escalades just driving in front of me all the time. So it's a way of the universe reminding you, like, hey, it's here, it's for you. What are you gonna do to make it happen? So now that you start speaking things into existence, you gotta start showing gratitude. Always, always, always show gratitude, you guys. That's how you make things come to life. The universe is receptive to the things you say. So always be thankful. Always say, you know what? Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. I already have this car. It's already for me. It's paid in full. I am so grateful because this is going to be mine and it's going to make me happy. And I'm just happy now because I know that one day I'm going to have it very, very soon. So show gratitude. And with those 4 things, you're going to see how quickly you start achieving the things that are on your vision board. Another good question that people ask is, how long will it take for the things on my vision board to come to life? That's the magic of it. You don't know how, you don't know when, you just gotta trust in the universe to do these things for you, to align the opportunities and the people for you already, you guys. It's gonna take time. It might happen in a week, it might happen in a month, it might not even happen in the same year that you created your vision board. But as long as you're consistent with the 4 steps that I showed you on how to make things happen, you're gonna start noticing that things really do start to, get on your vision board and start checking them off. You know what I mean? So don't worry about how long it takes. Just keep practicing those 4 steps, and you'll see that soon enough, all the things on your vision board start to come to life. Now, sometimes people can get discouraged. You can create a vision board, you have it on there, you're like really into it for the first week, and then all of a sudden you get discouraged. And you're like, nothing has come to life that I have put on my vision board. let's step back because maybe there's something that you're doing wrong. Are you in a negative state of mind? Are you actually in peace with yourself? Are you actually happy with yourself? Your surroundings have a lot of things to do with it too. Are you surrounding yourself with the right people? Are you doing the things that are going to help you achieve the things that are on your vision board? There are so many things that can affect why things aren't happening for you. But don't get discouraged because, like I said, things could take time. It could be a week, a month, or a year or two for things to happen on your vision board. But constantly practice the steps that I told you, and like I said, you will see things come to life. Don't worry about the when, don't worry about the how. Trust that the universe has your back. So this brings us to the end of my video, you guys. I really hope that you learned something today. I really hope that you go out there and make yourself a vision board so that way you can accomplish all the things that you want to do for this year. Remember, don't get discouraged if it doesn't happen right away. Everything takes time. Remember that your thoughts, your words, your actions have a lot to do with making your dreams become a reality, you guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure that you follow me on social media. And don't forget to like this video, okay? Like this video, share this video most importantly, because I don't know if you have other friends, family members that have a lot of ideas and they just don't know where to start to do it. Send them this video. Let them know that, hey, maybe you need to do a vision board so that way you can actually have everything put together and you're more mindful of what you're trying to do and achieve this year. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll be having more videos like this coming up soon. So until next time, you guys, thank you guys so much. I'll talk to you later. Bye.